In this video, we're going to be playing the A flat or G sharp chord. This is really similar to C sharp, where we played black key, white key, black key. In this case, we're going to be playing black key, white key, black key again. And the minor is also shifted, like F was shifted to E slightly. A flat is the same thing. So here's the A flat chord. The three notes are going to be A flat, C, and E flat. So play them together. The positioning is actually identical to C sharp. It's just we're going to be playing at A flat and not at C sharp. Okay, play A flat, C, E flat. We're going to move it up to C, E flat, A flat. Move it up again to E flat, A flat, C. And lastly to A flat, C, E flat. Now we're going to move it down. A flat, C, E flat. To E flat, A flat, C, E flat, A flat, and A flat, C, E flat. Play one octave until you can find the notes fairly well, because it's really identical to C sharp. You might actually get lost a little bit. So play one octave until you can be familiar with the A flat chord. Excellent. Once you're done with that, now we're going to move on to the left hand and play the exact same notes with the exact same fingerings that we've been playing with the other videos. So A flat, C, E flat. We're going to move it up to C, then move it up to E flat, and lastly A flat. Excellent. Now I'm going to play A flat and down to E flat, to C, and to A flat. Excellent. Once we could play it with the left hand and the right hand, now we're going to combine them and play the A flat major chord. Starting from A flat, we move it up to C, move it up again to E flat, and lastly we're going to move it up to A flat. Very good. Now we're going to move it down from A flat to E flat, to C, and A flat. Once you know one octave comfortably and confidently, you can go up one octave, you can find the notes really well. Now we're going to go 4 octaves 25 times. Excellent. That was the major chord of A flat. Now we're going to move on to the minor chord of A flat, where the C, the third step or the third scale degree of this key signature A flat, is going to be moved down half a step. So in this case, it's going to be C, 1, 2, 3, move down half a step to B. It's just like C sharp, where the F was moved down to E, same positioning, and this is the same thing, where the C is moved down to B. So the A flat minor chord is going to be A flat, B, and E flat. Or actually in music theory, it's going to be known as A flat, C flat, E flat. But there's just too many flats to count. I'm just going to count as B, and it's actually, it looks more better as a B than as a C flat. So A flat, B, E flat. Now we're going to move it up to B, E flat, A flat. Move it up again to E flat, A flat, B. And again to A flat, B, E flat. Now we're going to move it down from A flat to E flat to B and to A flat. Excellent. Practice with the right hand until you know it fairly well so you don't get mixed up with the C and the B, or the C flat in that case. Now we're going to move on to the left hand playing the exact same notes. So we start from A flat to B, to E flat, and to A flat. Excellent. I'm going to play A flat, down to E flat, to B, and to A flat again. Now let's combine the hands and play a flat minor chord. Excellent. Now when you can play it one octave fairly well, we're going to go 4 octaves 25 times so you know the notes really well. That was the A flat major and the A flat minor chords. If you've been doing the course up to this point, you could actually feel that your fingers are feeling much more confident on the piano. Actually, just for the first few exercises, probably you could already feel it. But by now, you could actually put your notes or put your fingers in the notes, and you could actually feel it really well, and you're ready for the improv section. But so far, we need to actually pass the chords and we need to pass the arpeggios before we even start any improv, because there is things that you need to know in all the different exercises that help you play the notes and the chords and the arpeggios. And so you could use those techniques in the improvised section. Thank you for watching. Let's move on to the next video.